If your ears won't stop ringing, buzzing, hissing, that high-pitched mosquito that never leaves, I'm going to give you fast relief you can try right now, and a simple routine to turn the volume down over time. Quick reality check. Tinnitus is a symptom, not a life sentence. You're not alone. There are science-backed ways to make it quieter. Relief. Do this today. Breathe low and slow. In for 4, out for 6, for 1 minute. Calming your nervous system can drop the alarm that makes the sound feel louder. Add gentle sound. Fan. Soft rain. Brown noise. Total silence makes tinnitus scream. Give your brain something friendlier to listen to. Jaw and neck reset. Place your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Teeth unclenched, shoulders down. Slowly turn your head left and right, 5 times each. Open and close your jaw softly 10 times. Tense muscles can crank up the noise. Sip water. Dehydration and dry middle ear tubes can make ringing feel harsher. Turn the volume down. If you used loud earbuds or tools today, give your ears a rest. Routine. Make it quieter over weeks. Morning, 5 to 10 minutes. Sound shower. Play soft brown noise while you get ready. Stretch set. Neck side bends. Chin tucks. Gentle jaw slides. 5 reps each. Caffeine check. Try half your usual for 2 weeks and log if your tinnitus changes. Daytime. 60-60 rule for audio. Under 60% volume, under 60 minutes at a time. Noisy job or commute. Wear hearing protection. Stress breaks. 2 2-minute breath sessions. 4 in, 6 out. Hydration goal. Clear pee by mid-afternoon. Evening. Screen dim and quiet routine 60 minutes before bed. Sound therapy to sleep. Rain. Fan. Brown noise at barely there volume. Quality sleep lowers tinnitus fatigue. Weekly anchors. Movement. 150 minutes of moderate exercise total. Food focus. Leafy greens, berries, nuts, fish. Fewer ultra-processed salty snacks. Trigger tracker. Note spikes after loud places. Stress. Alcohol. Certain meds.